today we're going to do kinetic sand. I'm going to show you a different one. We're going to open the sandcastle set. You can open it. It's the same. Comes with the tray. And then the sand castle. A rake. A crab. And a starfish. It's actually pretty cool. Looks like sand. Yeah. We're going to do the sandcastle one. Okay. There's the sandcastle. You can see it. Okay. Next, we're going to do a crab. I'm sure how well these are going to turn out. There's the crab. And we'll do the starfish. Here's the starfish. That's all of these. This is the rake. No, it's not. And then the shovel on the other end. I didn't see that. You can use a shovel or use your hand, whatever you like. Pile it in like that. That's the one. So that's that. Put it all away. Making a mess. Now I'm going to show you the slimy sand. Not going to take it all out of the bag. This is the slimy sand, glitter. Feels different. Yeah. But you can pile this one too. Just like sand. And then you have glitter on your hands. That's about it for that one. Okay, made a mess. Now we're going to do the kinetic sand ice cream treats. Instructions. Got pancake maker. Got the tray. That one anymore. There's the brown sand. The vanilla. And the strawberry. We got the ice cream cup, or cone. The ice cream sundae cup. Little items to go on them. And then the spoon, or whatever. And then more. And they all smell like it. It smells like strawberry. So this will not be used long. Just take a little bit at a time. Oh, making a mess. Okay, we're gonna do the ice cream cone. It's hard. Okay. Pile each one on. Oh, and there's the ice cream. Different flavors, falling apart. Like to mix it, but okay. That was the ice cream cone. You may do the waffle. Do chocolate waffle. Oh. I think I broke it. Okay. Okay. See how well this works. Never done use this one. Oh, did it wrong. Okay. Oh, and there's the waffle. Now we're gonna make a sundae. Then we can add like that on top. That's the sundae. This stuff's pretty cool. It's a messy thing too. Very messy. Whoop. Now we're really making a mess. Okay. And that's pretty much all. So that's kinetic sand. Really messy, but fun to play with. So, clean up here. Oops. Yeah, it's time to put it all away. Still smells like chocolate. So yeah, that's all. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you next one. Bye.